Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to prime your pump with paint before you start production for the day. Right now we have acetone in our pump, and what we're going to do is we're going to load it with this white paint here. So the way we do things here at Superfici is we actually have a ball valve right here. We call it an L-ported valve, and we have a feed and we have a return line as well. What we're going to do is we're going to go up top. We're going to make sure our air is off. I'll just turn the regulator all the way down so you can see. All the air is off. And then this valve here, when it's closed, I have pressure to my guns. But right now I'm going to open this up and relieve that pressure. So now you see it's down at 0 as well. This tube here is my pickup tube. So what's going to happen is I'm going to suck up paint through this tube. It's going to go up through the pump. It's going to go to a manifold on the Mini and then back through my return line. And when it's open, it will drain out of my drain hose. So we're going to take our pickup tube here, we're going to put it in our paint. Sometimes I like to turn the pump on and let it stroke before I put it in the paint for a couple different reasons, to suck up anything that may be dripping out of the pickup tube and to also create an air chop. But right now I just put it directly in there. Now you hear there still was some air from letting that solvent drain out of that pickup tube. So what's happening is we're picking up the paint here and we're going through the system and we're coming back out this tube right here. You can see the solvent that's in it is draining out. Here in a second we will be getting paint out. So once we have purged the system, we've got paint in there instead of solvent. I'm going to go back to this valve here. We're going to close it. Now the flow stops coming through here and draining out of this tube. Now we're pressurized back to our machine. I'm going to turn your air back up. Typically we like to run at least 4 bar, sometimes 5, anywhere between 4 and 5, give you enough incoming air, and then your fluid pressure would be shown down here at this regulator as well. All right, now you're ready to start your machine and spray your guns.